Okay, so I'm Kara Rudia, and this is for EDSU 532. This is the teaching video, and this is my tutee, Sydney.
Hi.
And so today we're going to be looking at editing, and she came in with one of her scholarship essays. So we're going to go over some editing techniques and then apply them to some parts in her paper. All right, so here we go. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Your dog's whining. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so to begin with editing, since your paper is already done, there's a big difference between editing and, what is it called? Like sight reading.
Okay.
Because in editing, you're looking at like content, structure, citations, that sort of stuff, rather than like punctuation and grammar and whatnot. Those are the mechanics rather than the actual content. So when you're looking at your content, you want to make sure that your argument is complete. There's no missing pieces. So when you read through, you're looking for holes in your argument that you can patch up. And so with those holes, you're looking for evidence and your support for your evidence and your explanations. So that rolls right into the structure of your paper. You want to make sure that you have your topic sentences in each paragraph. You're allowed to laugh. This is funny. You want to make sure you have all the elements of your paper, like your intro, your body, and your conclusion. And with those, you want to make sure that you have your transitions, because there's nothing worse than finishing a paragraph and then having no idea what the next paragraph's about. So that goes into your structure with your main ideas, your evidence, your support for your evidence, and then any counterclaims that you want to discuss to kind of put down the opposing ideas. And then from there, you want to look into your clarity also. Like you want to make sure that if there's any terms that are out of the ordinary in your paper, that you've defined those terms for your reader. You want to use a normal lexicon, so no like crazy thesaurus words that people are like, I have no idea what she's talking about now. So that means you're looking into your word choices. You're making sure that your paper makes sense. You're reading it out loud and looking for any errors like that. You also want to look into your style. So that means your proper tone. Like you don't want to drop a funny joke in a paper that's serious like this about gun violence and stuff, because that would be inappropriate and set off your tone. You want to make sure that your sentence vary. It's not, the cat ran, the dog walks. Yeah. You want to alter it so that it makes sense and that it's flowing. And you're also looking for repetitive words. There's nothing worse than seeing that written like over and over and over again in every sentence. And then lastly, you want to look at your citations and make sure that they're correct. And if you're quoting or if you're paraphrasing, you want to make sure everything flows and works well. Are you having a good time? Should you look at yourself? Yeah. Okay. So let's look at your citations, because you start off this paper with the quote by Abercrombie.
Abercrombie.
Abercrombie. And his book, Elemental, The Power of Eliminated Love. So when you're looking at that, you want to make sure you have his book in italics, which is good. You quote him directly, and you have your citation at the end, which is good, and it matches your citations at the end on your works cited page. So that's good. So you want to make sure when you're going through your paper for editing that all of it makes sense and it's in order and your works cited page is correct. Does that make sense? Yeah. Do you have any questions?
Not really.
Not really. It's pretty basic, especially if you have like a check sheet, which is great to have check sheets like this that you can go over the content and have a checklist. Yeah. And so you should do this editing before you go back and start looking at your mechanics, because you want to make sure your content's good before you go back and check your spelling and your spelling and your grammar and stuff. Exactly.
So you would recommend doing this freshly out of the paper and finished, using this, and then going back with spell check and things like that?
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. So that's what we're going to do in today's tutoring session with this paper. Get it good, ready to go for the scholarship. Cool.
Got it.
Okay. Let's pause.